Okay, number 11. After eating at a restaurant, Mr. Jackson's bill before tax is $52.50. The sales tax rate is 8%. Mr. Jackson decides to leave a 20% tip for the waiter based on pre-tax amount. How much will the bill be, including tax and tip? All right, so total for the bill. Oops, I did that again. Okay. Get the pencil. Okay, so the total bill, including tax and tip. So let's see. And it says that the tip is based on the pre-tax amount. So let's go ahead and do the tip. So it's 20% of $52.50. So what is 20% of $52.50? Times 100. We're going to do our cross product. 100 x equals 20 times 52.50 times 20. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Two numbers to the right of the decimal place, so it's 1,050. When you divide by 100, you move your decimal place 2 points to the left, so 1, 2. So X is $10.50. So then we need to find the sales tax. So sales tax, we're going to do the same process. So X over 52.50 equals 8 over 100. So 100x equals, and I need to come over here and do 52.50 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 4 is 20. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 2 is 42. Two numbers to the right of the decimal. So it's $420. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. So X equals 4.20. So now for our final answer, we're going to go ahead and take the total, which was $52.50. And then we want it after tax and tip. So we're going to add the tip and the tax, making sure to line up our decimals. So zeros, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. So $67.20. Nice job, everybody. Okay, next problem. You decide to go to dinner. You order a salad for $8.75, lemonade for $1.75, and 2 bowls of ice cream for $2.25 each. You have a coupon for 20% off the total meal. You must also pay 8.5% tax on the discounted total. How much is the meal going to cost? So how much is the meal going to cost? So first we have a salad, a lemonade, and 2 bowls of ice cream. So 2.25 plus 2.25, 2 quarters is 50 cents. And then 2 plus 2 is 4, so $4.50 added to the salad. Oopsies, it should be 8.75. 1.75 plus 2 bowls of ice cream. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus 4 is 15. So $15 is going to be the subtotal. And then we have a coupon for 20% off. So we're saying what is 20% off of $15? Go ahead and do it. 100x equals 300. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. X equals 3. So then tax on the discounted. So if it's a discount, we're going to take our total and subtract it. So our new total is 12. So now we have tax based on $12. So what is 8.2 or 8.5% of $12? So 100x equals 8.5 times 1.2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Put my 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. Zeros. 5 plus 7 is 10, 12, 8, 9, 10. See two numbers to the right of the decimal place. 10.2, 0. Move your decimal over when you divide by 100. It's going to be 0.10 cents. So we did the 15 minus 3 is 12, so 12 plus 0.1. So 0.1 plus 12. So 12.1. Mr. Perez made a scale model of Santa Maria, one of the ships Christopher Columbus used for his first voyage to North America. To make his model, he used a scale of 1 inch to 2.5 meters. If the actual Santa Maria was about 20 meters long, how long was the model? So guys, with scale factor, we're always going to put the scale on the left. So 1 inch over 2.5 meters. And we're going to do the drawing or model or picture on the top, always. So let's see, how long was the model? So we're going to do model over actual, and that's the order it's already in. And then, so it says, that was the scale factor. It says that the actual is 20 meters long. So I'm looking for meters. Meters is here with 2.5. And I know that the actual goes on the bottom, so it's 20 meters. And we're looking for the model. So I'm going to put x there. So 2.5x equals 20. I'm going to divide both sides. By 2.5. So 20 divided by 2.5. Move my decimal. So now it's 200 divided by 25. So I know 25, there's 4 quarters in a dollar, so 25 goes into 100 4 times. So double that is 8 times. So x is going to equal 8. And it is going to be inches because it's on top. And that is where the model goes. So, and it's in inches. Next problem. Okay, a fence is in the shape of a triangle. The scale drawing of the fence is shown where every 24 millimeters on the drawing represents 5 meters of the fence. What are the measurements? What are the actual lengths of the side of the fence? So we're looking for the actual lengths. So we know with scale drawings, we're going to put the model or drawing or photo over actual. And it gives us that 24 millimeters equals 5 meters. So 24 millimeters to 5 meters. And that's going to equal the model over actual. So it's giving us the millimeters, so that's the model. So 96 millimeters. And then you go and find your actual. So in this situation, 24x equals, and I guess we're still waiting to figure that out. 96 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 9 times 5 is 45. 4, 6, 7, 4, 8. So 480. So now if you divide both sides by 24, we know 48 is divisible by 24, and that's 2. And we do have to go ahead and add our 0, so it's 20. So that is the one side that's here. Now we have to go do the other two. So let's see, 84 over 5 equals, let's see, 60 over x. 84x equals, that's going to be 60 times 5, so 60 times 5, 0, 5 times, should be 30, oops, it's not wanting to write. So it's going to be 300. Divide by 84. Oops, that's 84. So we need to do 300 divided by 84. You can't see the 8. Okay, 300 divided by 84. Let's see, 2 times is 160. 2 times, sorry guys, I'm thinking, 300 divided by 84. So about 3 times 84